Chapter 5. Playtimes. Get set. Can you name these famous players listed below? No one likes to work all the time. We need to take rest and have fun. We have fun when we do things which we enjoy. This is called recreation. Games, music programs, circus, fairs, puppet shows are different types of recreational activities. Children love to play different games. Some are indoor and some are outdoor games. Outdoor games help the children to make them physically strong. Games played at school. Children enjoy playing games in the classroom. Classroom games are generally related to learning. Crossword, dumb charades, quiz, etc. are some common games that children play in the classroom. These games are either group games or they involve the whole class. During the games period, children play different outdoor games like cricket, badminton, basketball, football, and kho-kho. They might need special training to play these games. Experts of the games train children how to play these games. The school provides all the things needed to play these games. The children return these games equipments to the sports teacher when the games period is over. Name 4 games that you play at school. Play fair game. Sometimes children get into arguments and fight while playing. If this happens, you should take help of a teacher or an adult to settle the issue. The best way of solving quarrels is to follow the rules of the games strictly. Even grown-up get into arguments while playing. Each sport has an umpire or a referee to see that the game is played fairly and according to the rules. A good sportsperson has sportsman's spirit which helps him or her to overcome all obstacles. Take the rules you follow while playing. 1. Do not hurt anyone or his or her feelings. 2. Play a fair game. 3. Go back home on time. 4. Play after you finish your studies. 5. Wait for your turn. 6. Adjust with everyone. 7. Never tease or fight. 8. Play together with everyone. Games played at home. At home, children play both indoor and outdoor games. They play with their family members, friends and neighbors. Ludo, chess and carom are some indoor games played by the children. Nowadays, children love to play games on computer and mobiles. Children play outdoor games in parks and playgrounds in the evening. They play cricket, kho-kho, hide and seek and many other games in the park. In olden days, people used to recreate themselves with sports like kite flying, spinning tops, playing marbles and games like kabaddi and kho-kho. Kite flying. On Independence Day and Makar Sankranti, you might see kites of all shapes and sizes in the sky. Spinning tops. Top or lattu is a pear-shaped toy usually made of wood. A top gets into motion by pulling a string that has been wrapped around it. Children enjoy seeing the spinning top. Visiting a fair. Fairs are one of the most enjoyable means of recreation and enjoyment. Big fairs are organized on the occasion of festivals like Dussehra, Diwali, Christmas and New Year, etc. There are many stalls at a fair. People enjoy eating different kinds of food here. Children love to play games at different stalls. There are many games where they win prizes too. There are many swings, slides and other rides for children to enjoy in the fair. It is a good means of recreation. Visiting a circus. Circus is a group of performers who travel from one place to other to entertain people. Acrobats, jugglers, trapeze artists, tightrope walkers and clowns amuse the audience by their amazing acts. Many animals are trained to entertain the people. Clowns or jokers dress up in funny costumes and do makeup to entertain the audience with their humorous acts. Did you know? Surjakund Craft Mela is held at Surjakund in Haryana every year. Summary. We have fun when we do things we enjoy. This is called recreation. Children enjoy playing different games. We must follow the rules of the games. A good sports person has sportsman's spirit. Children love to play with their neighborhood friends. In olden days, people used to recreate themselves with sports like kite flying, spinning tops, playing with marbles, etc. Children have fun at fairs and at a circus. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Who makes everyone laugh at the circus? A. Ringmaster. B. Clown. C. Trapeze artist. 2. The shape of a top is like A. Apple. B. Mango. C. Pear. 3. Acrobats perform in A. Fair. B. Circus. C. Both A and B. 4. You can see various kites flying on A. Independence Day. B. Makar Sankranti. C. Both A and B. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. No one likes to at the time. 2. And are some common classroom games. 3. Each sport has an or a. 4. Children play both and games. 5. A good sports person has. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. Fairs are one of the most enjoyable means of recreation and enjoyment. 2. Cricket is an indoor game. 3. Umpires make sure that players follow the rule of the game. 4. We should always follow the rules of the game. 5. Children have fun at fairs and at a circus. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What is recreation? 2. What games do you play in the school? 3. Which is the best way to solve quarrels while playing? 4. What is a fair? Write the lines on any fair that you have visited. 5. Describe a circus. Activity. Which activities do you enjoy the most? Like. 2. List the activities in appropriate columns. Camping, dancing, net surfing, shopping, watching TV, fishing, listening music, sightseeing, enjoying at beach, kite flying. Indoor leisure activities, outdoor leisure activities. Life skill. You are watching a match on TV. Your younger brother/sister comes along and wants to watch a cartoon show for about 10 minutes. What will you do? Tick the correct options. You will 1. Fight with him/her and shout as you tell him/her to go away. 2. Tell him/her nicely some important facts about the sports you are watching. 3. Also watch the cartoon show with him/her. 4. Explain to him/her that the match is in an interesting stage and you will also watch the cartoon with him/her after it gets over.